Hello everybody, today we make a chicken sorrentino, pollo alla sorrentina. And we got all the ingredients right over here in front of me. We got 2 breast chicken and a salted black pepper. We need fontina. I got a prosciutto, homemade sauce. This is the sauce I make every single year. And we need eggplant. And now for start, we gotta start with the eggplant. I gotta slice 4 pieces and gotta go in the oven to cook a little bit. And cut this piece on the top over here. This is a really fresh eggplant. It's for the garden. Not my garden, but I was pick it up for the garden. And like this. Now, we cut this piece out over here. And I need now 4 pieces for the chicken. And I got 1, 2, 3, and I need another piece. And I cut over here like that. All right. Look how beautiful this is. It's really, really fresh. I got the oven on already 400 degrees. And now I got this brush. The brush and the eggplant only like this, both sides. And I use olio di oliva. And this I do this other one over here like this, both sides. Not too much oil, only a little bit like that. It's 2. And now it gotta go in the oven. The oven is on at 400 degrees. And we put in the oven. Do not stay too long. The only thing you gotta cook a little bit. That's all, you don't gotta cook all the way. Okay, now we start with the chicken. And we put oil on the pots over here. It's enough. And we leave the pots warm up a little bit. And I got over here the tongue. And we pick it up the chicken and let's assess the parts it's hot already. Yes, look. Okay, so 1. I like this parts again no stick. It's so good. Okay, and now we make a nice color both sides the chicken. Okay, now we turn on the other side and look how beautiful look this chicken. Ah, beautiful sorrentina. I want to do this. I want to eat. And I want to enjoy this chicken with a nice glass of wine. Oh, it's so good today. Okay, it's like 7 minutes. And I like to put a little bit more oil on the top. Spray a little bit more. Not too much, but we give another coat oil. All right. And we put it back now inside of the oven, and we keep it like maybe about 4 or 5 more minutes. Okay, it look good, and the chicken is ready to go. Let me see. Yes, it's enough. Because after you gotta go in the oven, because still you gotta cook it together with the eggplant, little sauce, and the prosciutto, and the fontina. You gotta go on the top. Let's take the chicken out, turn the gas off, and I put the chicken right over here on this dish. I gotta use a little sauce on the barrel first. Okay, look really good. And look how nice you look at this eggplant, both sides, look. Is that nice? Okay. we need little sauce on a barrel over here, the pots, like this. That's enough. And we make a little turn, the sauce that go every place like that. Now we take the chicken, and we put the chicken right over here, and we push like everything you gotta be on the sauce. Like that. Now this is done the chicken. Now we gotta put the prosciutto. And the prosciutto, each piece of chicken, it got the prosciutto like that. Sets a little bigger the prosciutto, the only thing you leave a roll like this a little bit. And we put another piece right over here, like that. And this, another one over here. And we got the last piece. And this one over here. Okay, now this is done like this. Okay, now we take the eggplant and we put one piece each chicken, the breast chicken, and we put another one right over here. And this is the last piece, and we put it right over here like this. We put little sauce each one, and we put like that. Okay, we put a little bit on the bottle, a little bit more sauce, like this. It's enough. And now we got the fondina. And the fondina gotta go right on the top. Put one, like this. Okay, and we got more. And we got a little extra one. We put one over here, one over here. Like this, we get a nice fondino. When they melt, it comes so beautiful. Now, we put in the oven, and when the fondines melt, the chicken be ready. Okay, now this is going in the oven. In the oven, it's 400 degrees. And let's put inside. Okay, Sorrentino, be nice. Okay, good. After that, I give a little dance. Ooh, and my chicken will be ready with a nice glass of wine. E salute cin cin everybody. Cin cin. Okay, now the chicken is all done, and let's take it out. Oh, look how beautiful. Huh? And no stick knot, so nice. And now it's time, I want to taste. And let's take one piece. Oh, look how nice. Huh? Okay, let me taste my chicken Sorrentina. Really good. Really hot. And the chicken with the fondue and eggplant, it's delicious. But on top of this, you need a little wine. And like this, the chicken alla Sorrentino with a glass of wine, it's really good. Chin chin. E salute everybody. I hope somebody make this dish. It's really good. Chin chin. Salute. This is Chef Pasqua. Chin chin.